Hello kids, today we'll learn A to Z and number name, color name, sea green color, dark green color, brown color, purple color, blue color, light green color, pink color, black color, sky blue color, red color, orange color, yellow color, sea green color. A for apple. Dark green color. B for banana. Brown color. C for cat. Purple color. D for doll. Blue color. E for elephant. Light green color. F for fish. Red color. G for grapes. Orange color. H for hen. Yellow color. I for island. Orange color. J for jack. Red color. K for kangaroo. Light green color. L for lion. Blue color. M for milk. Purple color. N for nest. Brown color. O for octopus. Dark green color. P for peacock. Sea green color. Q for queen. Yellow color. R for rabbit. Sea green color. S for sun. Dark green color. T for tiger. Brown color. U for umbrella. Purple color. V for van. Blue color. W for watch. Light green color. X for X-ray. Red color. Y for yo-yo. Orange color. Z for zebra. Black color. 1. Sky blue color. 2. Black color. 3. Sky blue color. 4. Black color. 5. Sky blue color. 6. Black color. 7. Sky blue color. 8. Black color. 9. Sky blue color. Number 10. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Hello kids, today we'll learn number name and color name. Blue color, red color, yellow color, brown color, green color, orange color, pink color, purple color. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. Pink color. 1. Purple color. 2. Green color. 3. Orange color. 4. Yellow color. 5. Red color. 6. Brown color. 7. Purple color. 8. Pink color. 9. Blue color. 10. Green color. 11. Orange color. 12. Yellow color. 13. Red color. 14. Brown color. 15. Blue color. 16. Pink color. 17. Purple color. 18. Green color. 19. Orange color. 20. Yellow color. 21. Red color. 22. Brown color. 23. Purple color. 24. Pink color. 25. Blue color. 26. Green color. 27. Orange color. 28. Yellow color. 29. Red color. 30. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 13. Black color. Blue color. Yellow color. Brown color. Pink color. Red color. Orange color. Green color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. green color. A for apple, orange color. B for banana, red color. C for cat, pink color. D for doll, brown color. E for egg, yellow color. F for frog, blue color. G for goat, green color. H for hen, orange color. I for ice cream, red color. J for jug, pink color. K for kangaroo, brown color. L for lion, yellow color. M for mango, blue color. N for nest, green color. O for octopus, orange color. P for peacock, red color. Q for queen, pink color. R for rabbit, brown color. S for sun, yellow color. T for tiger, blue color. U for umbrella, green color. V for van, orange color. W for watch, red color. X for Xmas tree, pink color. Y for yo-yo, brown color. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Hello kids, today we will learn A to Z and color name. Brown color. C green color, black color, orange color, blue color, yellow color, red color, light green color, dark green color, pink color, purple color, sky blue color. Sky blue color. A for apple, purple color. B for ball, pink color. C for cat, dark green color. D for dog, light green color. E for elephant, red color. F for fish, yellow color. G for goat, yellow color. H for hen, red color. I for ice cream, light green color. J for joker, dark green color. K for kite, Pink color L. L for lion. Purple color M. M for mango. Sky blue color N. N for nest. Sky blue color O. O for orange. Purple color P. P for peacock. Pink color Q. Q for queen. Dark green color R. R for rabbit. Light green color S. S for sunflower. Red color T. T for tiger. Yellow color U. U for umbrella. Yellow color V. V for fan. Red color W. W for watch. Light green color X. X for Xmas tree. Dark green color Y. Y for yo-yo. Pink color Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.